So here we are preparing for setu bandhasana, or the bridge pose. It's a great pose to come into towards the end of your practice. It engages all the energy center. And soon you'll see Ramana picking up a block and putting it between her thighs, and she's just going to squeeze the thighs right here with the feet on the mat first. And just places where when you raise your hips, the block doesn't fall off. So you might need to change the position of the block. Squeeze it and notice where does that squeeze, which muscles are getting engaged, just noticing in your own body. And then slowly inhale and exhale as you lift the hips up, pushing on to those feet, getting that energy from the feet, the lower legs, upper legs. And see her fingertips are almost close to the heels, the knees on top of the ankle. Breathing. And Ramana is going to show you a few options here. She might just right now clasp her hands as she lifts her shoulders under her. So she's going to lift her upper back and bring those shoulders under. Now that's not needed. If you have something going on in your arm, then this is where you want to be. After a few breaths, think about extending through the tailbone as you come down slowly, one vertebra at a time. Rest your torso, remove the block. And then you'll see Ramana just warm up her back again. And then slowly she'll push through the feet, feel that energy up the legs into the hips that rise up. One slow, energetic movement happening here. Clasp your hands under. Feel that stretching of the arms. Think of the knees and the toes both pointing forward, if that's available to you. If not, because that's what we did when we had the block in there, right? You have fired up the adductors. Take a few breaths here. You can see that her body is preparing to lengthen through the spine as she comes down. And when your back touches the mat, just pause. Don't do anything else except breathe. Feel that whole torso on the floor, the feet connected. Relax the shoulders. You might look in one direction and the other direction to release anything you might be holding in your neck. And then when you're ready, the counter pose is hugging the knees, but let's do one at a time. First, hug your right knee to the chest. Stretch out the back. Release it back down. And then the other. Using this kindness and compassion, release that, and then you may hug both the knees to the chest. Rock gently from side to side. You're giving yourself the opportunity to notice how your body is feeling, each part of the body that was involved in this pose.